What's up, everybody? Hey, what do we have here in front of me? We're gonna unbox the two new Apple Watch Series 10s right here and the new Apple Watch Ultra 2 coming in that nice black titanium color, right? So let's put the Ultra 2 on the side because we've got to talk about the new Apple Watches, right? So I guess, which one should I start with? Let's start with, we'll go with, you know what? We'll start with the aluminum one. This is the jet black that uses that cool little polished surface to give it that real shine, almost like a ceramic shine. So we're gonna open it up here, okay? Slowly but surely, unwrap it, wrap. Here's the watch, okay? Here's the band, all right? Let's put it over here, okay? And I'm going to just start with the Apple Watch. Let's put it up here. I gotta rip this first? Okay, here we go. Ready? Whee! Yay! I mean, this is an all-new design and form factor for the Apple Watch. So whenever designs happen, this one that I have here is an Apple Watch Series 7. I did an upgrade, and the 10, bigger screen, flat, thinner device. Whew, here we go. Here we go, everybody. Shall we reveal the Apple Watch Series 10? Oh, other direction? No, correct direction. Should we rewind that? Let's rewind that, okay? Oh, we're back. Yes, I did it. That's right. This is the Apple Watch Series 10, 46 millimeter size casing, a slightly larger display than the Apple Watch Ultra. 9.7 millimeters thin, so a thinner body. You can definitely feel it. You could easily feel it, and I think that this is going to be probably the biggest thing about this is how thin it is. Putting on jackets and sleeves, just it not getting in the way, not banging on things, but a bigger screen and a thinner display. Love it. Okay. Also, we have this band here. So let's shall we just open this guy up so we can kind of see what it looks like as a complete set? Yes, we can. Oh, here we go. Got to rip this first. Ready? Yeah. Okay. So here we go. Oh, this is the the Sport Loop, but what colors? This is considered, well, not only carbon neutral, but what color is the Sport Loop? It's dark colored. I mean, it honestly has like a navy look to it, if you can see that here, but let's just put this on here. I'm gonna get this down. Oh, there you go. Okay. There you go. There you go. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, Apple Watch Series 10. Nice. Very nice. Okay. So we have this, and this is that polished black material. Look at how clean it looks. It almost has this like ceramic. This really reminds me of the ceramic feel. Oh, it's so nice. Look at that. And then the back. There's been a lot of design changes here. Even the way they rewired the antenna around the back as well. Wow. Okay. So there you go. We got the jet black Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get our friend. I think this is a natural titanium Series 10. Okay. So I'm gonna put jet black here for the side, and then we'll bring them all back out. Let's do this. Okay. Shall I do the honor? Should I do this right? Ooh, it's got that kind of silvery, like this warm silver color. The titanium color, right? Okay, let's open it up, shall we? Step 1, tear. Step 2, tear. Okay, make sure I open this the right way. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, yes, yes. Okay, here we go. Should we do this the right way this time? Okay, don't make it pop out, Brian. Oh, this is harder than you think. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby. Yes, yes, yes. Push, push, pull, push, pull. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, this looks, I mean, very shiny and polished silver. This is, again, the natural titanium. Wow. Okay, looks nice. I mean, I'm going to pop this on. And then let's get the case, the bracelet. This is the Milanese loop for it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Ugh. Slide it out. Sometimes I'm just like one of those guys that just tears it out. Just pulls it. Oh, I gotta undo it there. Here, come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. Whew. Okay. Let's put this here. And oh, guy, you guys are gonna challenge me on camera to put this on properly, right? Okay, let's give it a shot. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. 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 Get that. Come on, get it. Get that angle right. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Nice. What do you think? What do you think about this? The Milanese loop with the new natural titanium Apple Watch Series 10. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Looking real good. And look at that. Again, the thinness, 9.7 millimeters. Real sweet. Okay, so let's bring this out because I want to compare a couple things here. So we have these two watches here, and I'm going to bring this into play. This is the Series 7, okay? And if you can get a good look, I'm going to try and hold them up here. This is what the displays look like, and clearly I can see, even for myself, one of these is definitely thicker than the other, and it's this guy. This is the Series 7. 9.7 millimeters for the Series 10. Bigger face, thicker body. And they did a lot of different miniaturization here. Internally, parts have been miniaturized. Something like the speaker here, 30% reduction in size. They even have, you can't see it, but internally the digital crown, it also got miniaturized, as well as other parts and components. The S10, SIP, everything, has been rearranged and more compact, while also, bringing this new wide angle OLED display. I think of the keynote, they said it has a 40% brightness, but depending on the angle, it can even be up to 60% brighter, depending on the angle, with this new wide angle display. So you gotta love that. I mean, improvements all across the board. Subtle improvements. I mean, yes, if you use your Apple Watch the way you use it daily, I think the biggest things here is sleep apnea as well for health monitoring. That is using the accelerometer, so it's not using anything like blood oxygen or heart rate. It's just using purely the accelerometer to measure that. So it's not dependent on, I don't know if you know, but the blood oxygen sensor the hardware is still physically in here, but the app is not available in the US. In other countries, they have that, but until Apple resolves that whole patent issue, it's not going to be functional in the US anytime soon. So they'll have to figure a workaround or just get that whole case resolved. So these are the Series 10 Apple Watch natural titanium and that sweet polished jet black. Okay, so we have these two. Let's go visit our friend, the Apple Watch Ultra, shall we? Okay, so here's an all new packaging for it. If I recall, it was white before, but now this has this darker gray tone on it. Have some fun, all right? So let's just pop this open, okay? Whoop. Okay, let's open it, right? It has a cool background presentation. I remember with the original Apple Watch Ultra, this could either be like a water background or a trail background or the hills. This one is mountain climbing, so I love the presentation. It's so classy. It comes with like a guide, slight manual, different watch faces that it's showing here. I mean, this is I think this is arguably the classiest presentation of a product that Apple has, okay? So we got this, put this over here. Here's the actual black titanium watch. And I forgot to mention, when we talk about titanium, even for the Apple Watch Series 10, the aluminum finish, we've had that before, but the titanium materials, it makes that 20% lighter. So that thing is slimmer and lighter. This is still the same exact form factor. This is just a new extra cool, sexy color. So let's bust this out because I know you'll want to see it in the wild, right? Okay, let's go here. Oh. Yeah, it's so satisfying. Damn, every time. Okay, here we go, shall we? Reveal. Woo, okay. Designed by Apple California. Here is the actual charging cable. It is a braided cable, so I don't know if you can see that, but this texture on the braided cable for this Apple Watch Ultra 2, right? Class it up, of course. Let's take off this paper, shall we? I'm just gonna peel very carefully, all right? And here you go. black titanium, y'all. Like a satin black finish. It's honestly like a deep space black. It's not jet black by any means. It's more of a deep gray space black color. All right. And you still have that 49-inch casing. And again, the Apple Watch Series 10 display is slightly large, just slightly larger than this, okay? Let's put it on its band and see what we got here. All right, with the Alpine Loop. This is a black titanium Alpine Loop to match the actual watch, so. All right, look at this here. Let's pull it out of its pocket. Oh, okay. Again, leaning into this gray theme, all right? Okay. Put this over here. I don't know how I'm gonna put everything back together, but oh well. Okay. It's almost like in this light, it has a dark forest green aspect to it to match this black, to go with the black titanium. I mean, you see the actual titanium details of this. This matches the titanium here on the actual watch, right? The hook, and then also the, let's get this hook off. And then where these kind of brackets slide in. Okay, let's go here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so slide it right in and slide it right in. Okay, it's nice. I mean, it's what you expect. It's just a black titanium Apple Watch Ultra 2. Okay, so let's do this now. I'm gonna grab this and just bring here for some comparisons because we like those. Okay, so what do we have here? This is the original. This is actually a Ultra, not an Ultra 2, but an Ultra, same at least size and some of the physical dimensions things here. But here's a look at it, right? That natural titanium versus the black titanium. All right, just to give you a good look at it. All right. Yes, I have it. I mean, I have it as if it was on the different wrist. So let me do this maybe to make it a little easier for y'all to see. But there you go. All right. And then when you stack these up next to the Apple Watch Series 10, although it's not perfect enough to show you yet, again, right, we have bigger display slightly, 46-inch case, 46 millimeter case, 49 millimeter case. Apple Watch Series 10 starts at $399. The cellular version with your cellular version is going to be $499, and then Apple Watch Ultra 2, this guy starts at $799 as well. And then I got a lot of watches, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm keeping time. So hey, guess what? We're gonna have a full review of the Apple Watch Series 10. Am I sloppy with these? This is just how we normally are. Series 10 Apple Watch. Oh, someone freaked out when they heard that. That was just the buckle of the band. It's late. Trust me. Is this the fourth unboxing we got? It's one of them. Apple Watch Series 10. You could go pre-order it right now. It'll be available September 20th. And boom, there you go. Full review coming soon. See ya.